Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today I will share with you a complete step-by-step guide on how to get an instant loan from ADCB, explained clearly with proven information. If you watch this video carefully and follow the exact steps I show you, your chances of getting approved will be much higher. So I kindly request everyone who clicked on this video to learn about the ADCB Express Loan. Please do not skip any part of this video. Every step is important. And please support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve so we can continue bringing you more useful videos like this. Let's start. First, log into your ADCB account using your password or Face ID. Once you are on the dashboard, scroll down and find the Loans and Finance option. Then click on it. You will see the Express Loan option with the button Apply Now. Let me clearly explain one important thing here. Some people do not see the Express Loan option in their account. This usually happens because there is no salary or income record in the account. So make sure you are receiving your salary or income in the same ADCB account for at least 6 months. Now click on Apply Now. You will see two options that you need to tick. The first one is to acknowledge and accept the key facts statement. Click on it and you will see complete loan details, including interest rates and fees. After reading everything carefully, click on Accept. The second option is to allow ADCB to check your credit score from Etihad Credit Bureau. This is very important. If you have repaid your previous loans or credit cards on time and you have not delayed any installment payments, your credit score will be good. A good credit score increases your eligibility for the ADCB Express Loan. So tick this option and then click on Continue. Now you need to enter your average monthly household expenses. Enter the correct amount based on your real expenses. After that, choose the account where you want to receive the loan amount. If you have two accounts, select your preferred one. If you have only one account, simply choose that one. Now here is the benefits part. If you want to receive 120 AED worth of 30,000 touch points, you can enter the agent code JAMVAJ36Q. By using this code, 30,000 touch points will be credited to your ADCB account. You can redeem these points at Noon, Lulu, Carrefour, or other shopping malls and e-commerce platforms. If you do not use this code, you may miss around 120 AED worth of rewards. After entering the code, click on Continue. Now ADCB will check your eligibility. If you are not eligible, do not worry. I will explain the reasons at the end of this video. So keep watching. If you are eligible, you will see your total credit eligibility amount. Now listen carefully. At the top of the page, click on Tenor. Here you can choose how many months you want for repayment. A DCB offers flexible repayment timelines. After selecting the tenor, you can choose your desired loan amount by entering the amount or adjusting the option provided. The minimum loan amount is 500 dirhams and the maximum is 9,900 dirhams. After selecting your loan amount, you will see the interest rate, the monthly installment amount, the repayment details. Scroll down and you will see three important details. The processing fee, the final loan amount that will be credited to your account, the date of your first installment. Read everything very carefully, then click Continue. Now you will see the final review page with complete loan details. After reviewing carefully, take the checkbox to accept ADCB's terms and conditions, then click Accept. Next, open and review the schedule of fees, then click Accept. After that, click on Confirm. Now, to verify that you are the one applying for the loan, you will receive an OTP. You can choose to receive it on your registered mobile number or your registered email address. Once you receive the OTP, enter it. After successful verification, your loan status will show as under review. It may take between 1 to 12 hours for confirmation and approval. After approval, you will receive confirmation through SMS, email. and app notification, the loan amount will be credited directly to your selected account. To check your credited loan amount, log in again to the ADCB mobile app using your password or Face ID. You will see the amount available to use or withdraw. To see more details about your loan, scroll down and click on Loans and Finance. Then select your loan. There you can see complete loan details. Congratulations, you have successfully received your ADCB Express Loan. Now, for those who are not eligible, let me clearly explain a few common reasons. Your average monthly household expenses may be too high compared to your income. You have been using ADCB for less than 6 months. Your salary or income has not been credited regularly for at least 6 months. Your credit score from Etihad Credit Bureau is low because of missed or delayed installment payments. Now let's understand how to increase your eligibility. First, make sure your Emirates ID and personal information in your ADCB account are up to date. Second, ensure your salary is credited regularly through the WPS system into your ADCB account. Third, clear any pending or overdue installments. Fourth, enter realistic monthly expenses based on your actual income. Fifth, use ADCB as your primary bank account for at least 6 months. By following these steps, your credit score can improve and your eligibility will increase. You can also directly contact Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank customer care to ask about your eligibility status and the exact reason if you are not eligible. That's all for today. If you still have any questions or need help, please comment below. I will definitely reply. Best of luck.